Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samira. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this trendy Bubu Kaftan. This is a very beautiful dress that you can wear it out to Owambe party or any special occasion. So if you are interested to know how to make this kind of style, keep on watching. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe now, like and comment. Turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. You'll be the first to see it and watch and learn from it. So today we are using 2 yards of this unique crepe material. So let's get started now with our tutorial for today. I'll go ahead and fold my fabric into 4 pieces. I'm cutting the front and the back piece together, and I'm going to rule a line here which is going to be my starting line. Alright, I will take my length of my dress, okay, which is 57 inch. So I'm taking the length of my dress, which is 57 inch. So please keep on watching to see the outcome of this style that we are making today. So it's all folded together. I'm going by 14.5 inch for my width. So the width is by 14.5 inch. So I'll go ahead with 3.5 inch for my neckline. Okay, while my depth of my neckline, I'm going by 7 inch, and it's going to have V shape on it. Okay, so we are using 2 yards of this unique color crepe material. That's what we are using to make today's style that we are making today. Alright, so it's going to have a V shape. So I'm using what I folded to achieve my sleeve, because I'm going to cut the sleeve all together. So I'm going to cut them. So I will measure from my shoulder to get my arm, which is 9 inch. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll slope my shoulder by 1 inch. Okay, hope you are following up, guys. This style is unique and beautiful, and it's very simple to cut and sew on your own. So I will mark 15 inch, that is for my half length. So I'm going by 15 inch for my half length. On my half length, I will shape it a little by removing 1 inch, okay, from my tape rule. So what I will do now, I'll go ahead to connect the marks together. So that's the connection. Okay, so now I will go to my hemline. So and shape it by 2 inch. Okay, so I will now connect all the marks together. So my camera is not showing that part, so just note that at the hemline I'm going to shape it by 2 inch. So I'm going to take the depth of my neckline, the back neckline, I'm going to take it down by 1.5 inch, and it's a round neck. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll cut it out. You can see how simple it is for you to cut down. So this particular style that we are making is a trendy kaftan style, and you are going to see the outcome of the style. Please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. So it's going to have a slit in front. There is no side slit, no back slit. It's a unique style, very beautiful, trendy kaftan. So please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. It's very simple to cut and sew. All you need to do is for you to follow the procedure that we are using to cut this style, and you're going to cut your own by yourself after watching this tutorial down to the end. Please, if you have not subscribed now, this is the time for you to click the red button under my video to subscribe. Now you can like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorials, and please support this channel by watching this particular tutorial down to the end. It's another way for you to support this channel to grow. I really want this channel to grow, guys. Let's grow this channel together by supporting each other. So please keep on watching down to the end. So I'm going to show you guys how to cut the front neckline, which is the V shape. So I'm pulling it out for us to cut the neckline. So please support this channel to grow by watching this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. And I also have other tutorial on my channel that you can check now. So you can check the tutorials that we have already. We also have similar tutorial on how to cut Bubu Kaftan like this. So you can check it out so that you can also watch it and learn how to cut the styles that I have already on my channel. So I'm going to teach you guys how to cut the slit. So I'm going to use bias to run a stitch on the neckline to get a neat sewing. Alright, so this is the way we are going to cut the front slit. Alright, so the next step for us to cut the front slit, so I'm trying to arrange the fabric well so that you guys can see how to cut it. Okay, so this is how to cut it. So what I will do, I will mark 17 inch from my hemline to where I will slit it. So you can see how to go about it. So I marked 17 inch from my hemline to where I will slit it. I'm going to also use bias to run a stitch on it. So I'll use my French curve to curve it a bit because it's not straight. The slit is not straight. So I'm using my curve ruler to curve it. So this is how to go about it. So after measuring your length, so you need to use your ruler to curve it to get the style that we are making, the kind of slit that we want in the front. So this is how to go about it when making your own. So like I said, I'm going to use bias to run a stitch on it so that I can get a neat sewing. So you can also do that when making your own. Please, I hope you are following up and I hope you are enjoying today's tutorial. So guys, you can also subscribe now. You can like, comment, and let us know what you think about our tutorial. You can also support this channel by watching this particular tutorial down to the end. So after this, we are going to take it to the machine and run a stitch on it, and our dress will be ready. It's a very unique style that we are making today. Is a trendy kaftan only slit bubu with one slit, no back slit, no side slit. It's a unique style, and the color that we are using is very unique. It's a nude color, and we are using 2 yards of this unique crepe material to achieve this style that we are making today. I hope you understood what we did. If you don't understand it, you need to watch this particular tutorial again so that you'll be able to understand it and cut it on your own. I really want you to make this particular style after watching this tutorial by yourself. You can see it. We are going to wear it out so that you can see the outcome of the style that we just made now. All right, this is the final look of my dress. Really nice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please, you can subscribe now. Click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial, and you can also keep a date with us. Our long videos is on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So keep a date with us, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Please, you can check my next tutorial now. You can check my other tutorial now. Thank you so much. I love you all.